So in this video, you'll learn how to turn off your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first step when it comes to shutting it down is to locate the power button. To do that, go to the very top of the switch, and then you should see the power button next to the volume up and volume down buttons. So what you want to do is just long press on that power button until the power off menu appears. So you'll be pressing on it for 3 to 5 seconds. So let's just press. And then once this power off menu appears, what you want to do is scroll and select power options and then choose the option power off. Once you've done that, your Nintendo Switch will then turn off or shut down. So now it's been turned off completely. It's not in sleep mode, so it won't be draining battery, and you've successfully switched it off. If you want to turn it on, you can just go ahead and press on this power button and it will be turned on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.